Hey guys, this is Amanda McClurkin shooting a screencast with you today discussing a PSA that I've created. The PSA is a billboard concerning dog, cat breeders, and animals that are placed in shelters. The photo is from www.animalliberationfront.com. As you can see, it is an actual photo of a dog that is in a shelter and he looks really, really sad. He has his head down. You won't even look up. Most of these billboards and these PSAs usually have a picture of, the dog looking through the cage and his big old puppy eyes, but as you can see, this dog is really depressed and he looks pretty skinny, and it's just kind of heartbreaking. I also have a statistic from www.humanesociety.org that says 6 to 8 million cats and dogs are sheltered each year. Adoptions save lives. The message is encouraging people to adopt rather than buy from breeders or pet stores, since, the statistic is pretty astounding. And as we all know, animals that are not able to be readopted are usually put down. Most breeders don't even realize the odds of their animal being sheltered after they are adopted, and the outcome is really real and it's truly sad. As you can see, the design is pretty dark and it's really simple. I have a lot of darker gray, black tones to kind of get across this ominous kind of message, really sad. As you can see, the dog is the focal point and he takes up a lot of the frame. I kind of wanted to keep it that way since he is the main message that we were trying to get across here. The topography kind of would remind you of prison. It's like a stencil of, like, I don't know, something that you'd see on like someone's back when they're coming out of prison or something like that. And I had it framed around the dog so that, even when you're reading that, you kind of get the message that you're trying to look at the dog. I wanted to keep this message as simple as possible to deliver it in the best way I could. Since people driving on busy roads can't really read into too much detail, and I want the main focus to stay fixed on the main image here. So yes, this is why I decided to go with this billboard, and I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys see what I see in it. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and we'll see you later.